Hello students, welcome back. Let us solve the question number 5 of exercise number 1, and it is from rational numbers of class 8. The question says, name the property under multiplication used in each of the following. So the first question is, minus 4 by 5 into 1 is equal to 1 into minus 4 by 5 is equal to minus 4 by 5. So here, first of all, we need to know what is multiplicative identity. So multiplicative identity is nothing but a number which is when combined with another number leaves the value unchanged. When it is combined with another number, it leaves the value unchanged. For example, 4. So when 4 is multiplied with a number, the value remains unchanged. That is, you get back 4. What number we have to multiply with 4 so that the value remains unchanged? It is nothing but 1. And what about minus 5? When minus 5 is multiplied with a number, remains the value unchanged. So when do you get minus 5? When you multiply minus 5 by 1. So it is this 1 is playing the role of multiplicative identity. जब कोई भी नंबर एक नंबर से मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं तो उसकी वैल्यू अनचेंज रहती है. जैसे कि 4 को 1 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो 4 ही रहेगी और माइनस 5 को 1 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो माइनस 5 ही रहेगी. सो कौन सी प्रॉपर्टी यूज़ की जा रही है यहाँ पर? विच प्रॉपर्टी आर वी गोइंग टू यूज़ इन दिस फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन? सो इट इज़ minus 4 by 5 into 1 is equal to 1 into minus 4 by 5, and we are getting back the same minus 4 by 5. That is, again the value is unchanged. So we are using the property multiplicative identity. We can write it is the property of existence of multiplicative identity. The next question is 13 by 17 into minus 2 by 7. This is equal to minus 2 by 7 into 13 by 17. So what are we observing in this? That is, generally if we can say it is nothing but a into b is equal to b into a, and the operation used here is multiplication. So what is this property we have studied in earlier classes? It is nothing but the commutative property of multiplication. Nothing but the commutative property of multiplication. It says that when a is multiplied by b, it is nothing but b into a. That is, both are same. A into b is equal to b into a. That is, example, it's nothing but 1 into 2 is equal to 2 into 1, or 3 into 4 is equal to 4 into 3. These both are same. 12 is equal to 12 and 2 is equal to 2. So it's the same thing. 13 by 17 into minus 2 by 7 is equal to minus 2 by 7 into 13 by 17. So what is the property used here? The property used here is commutative property of multiplication. तो इसमें क्या किया गया है? जब a को हम मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं b से तो दोनों की वैल्यू सेम रहेगी. Proceeding towards the third question. The third question says minus 19 by 29 into 29 upon minus 19 is equals to 1. So you must be knowing about reciprocal also. Reciprocal of half. Reciprocal of half is what? Is 2. Reciprocal of half is 2, and of 2 is half. This reciprocal, it is also called multiplicative inverse. That is, when you multiply a number with its own reciprocal, then the result is identity 1. The result is 1. When you multiply a number with its reciprocal, that is, this is a number minus 19 by 29 and its reciprocal is 29 by minus 9. So when you are multiplying this both, you are getting the result 1. जब हम कोई भी नंबर को उसके रेसिप्रोकल से मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं तो रिजल्ट 1 आता है, तो उसको बोलते हैं existence of multiplicative inverse. The property used here is existence of multiplicative inverse. That is a into 1 by a is equal to 1. Generally बोल रही हूँ, a into 1 by a is equal to 1. So the property used here is, the property is existence of multiplicative inverse. Thank you, students. You must have understood the concept of this question, and if you have got any doubts, please message me on the Instagram ID given below in the description box. And if you like my video, please share and subscribe.